Good morning, guys. This is your boy Alan here again. I just finished uploading the video and I just saw a great video for you guys to show ICT mentorship, okay, on YouTube. Okay, so this is one of his rinse and repeat patterns he definitely has. So I want you to kind of take a look at what's going on right here. All right, we see price coming up higher and higher, all right, targeting buy side liquidity first. Excuse me. There's sell side liquidity resting here. So we see that, right? And we see there's a gap right there. Okay. So I'm not, I kid you not, I just saw this right now. It's crazy. So the gap is right there, right? Let's try to get up there. Fills the gap right there. Okay. Takes out buy side liquidity, starts attacking, right? And you know exactly what ICT says. See this? Buy side liquidity starts happening, comes up, right? And we see there's a gap right there. And I want you to notice that that second candle, it comes up, takes a second candle out, and all you're doing is entering that trade right there. Just watch his videos and you'll see exactly what I mean when he says that. So that's your stop loss there. And all you're doing is targeting this sell side liquidity resting here. All right, these relatively equal lows. And that's all you're targeting. After that, you're out of the trade. And this is what was like so insane. I was like, yo, because I had a student ask me about NAS. You know who you are. You know who you are. But you asked me about NAS, and I was like, yeah, I think NAS is gonna drop on like the hour. I was like, yeah, it looks like looks like it's priming to drop. And I go down to the 5 in 1 minute and I see this. I'm like, oh my God, this is perfect. And then attacks lower, takes out sell liquidity, and that's where you just get out your trade. All right, because now we can expect, either NAS continue moving higher, maybe take out these highs now, because this is now a relatively equal high. If you look on it, yep, relatively equal high that it could target and then drop lower, right? Or it can just come up here to this order block here and then tank some more. But I'm done trading for the day. I just saw that this happened like in live. I was like, oh my God, it's so cool. I gotta try to make a video on this to show you guys. But yeah, this was literally like I don't know, like what, about an hour ago, basically. It's crazy. It was crazy. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video to show you guys how you can cash these live scalps with ICT setups, right? Even this one right here, if you wanted this one right here, like so liquidity resting here, price comes up, attacks it, comes down lower, right? Takes this out right here. Damn, that's tough. Actually, I don't think you would have gotten this one because this would have came back up. But I don't know if this would still be a high probability sell setup. But hey, I mean, if you got in this one, it worked. But more so, I want something like this where it comes back up before it attacks outside liquidity. This is like the prime right here. But yeah, this was still fine. This would be still fine. Like it comes in the order block here, attacks lower. Let's see this. You're looking at this right here. Stop loss right above that high. Like as he says, risk 0.5%. So this would be a 0.5% for a 1% gain. Super, super solid. Same thing for this one. This would be a 0.5% for a 2.5% gain. Yeah, these are just scalps you can take. And like I said, ICT shows that these happen all the time in the market. And it was just so cool how I was able to spot this one. But yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you have to go and watch ICT's mentorship. Okay. I have my own mentorship, but it's based off completely ICT and it's all like beginner friendly, right? I know there's a lot of like complaints or not complaints, like, like, hey, ICT, is very like, he rants a lot. And I don't really understand what he's saying. So I'll have like a educational playlist completely free on my YouTube that shows like, hey, you can, that shows basically what ICT is like, what you should start off on ICT. But he has his own mentorship on YouTube right now, so you guys should get into and start watching that, and you guys know exactly what I'm talking about by this entry right here. All right. Well, that should wrap up this video. It's a quick one. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck and good trading.